So today I'm going to show you how to add a bank account onto E-Trade so that way you can transfer from an external account into your E-Trade account. So we're going to follow along here in real time on desktop version for you. Should be fairly similar on mobile. Just look for the similar information so that way you can go ahead and have this set up. So here on E-Trade, what we're going to actually want to do is click on where it says transfers here towards the very top. Don't click on this where it says banking because that's actually creating a whole bank account. So when we actually go ahead and hover over here for transfers, it's going to give you a bunch of options. You can just click on the word transfer for you, and it's going to take you to the next page, which looks very similar to this. Now from here, what we're going to want to actually do is click on where it says transfer from. And if you click on here, you're going to see a spot here that says external funding accounts. Currently, we don't have any, but it gives us the option to add an account. So if we click on here, it's going to take us to this page right over here. Makes it very simple and easy. So we're going to click on securely add account. Now from here, it's going to give us an option from some of the most popular banks, but you can also search by actually just typing in your bank as well. And one other thing I do want to mention is for some reason your bank does not pop up on this to be able to do an instant account access. You can actually do a manual as well too, which is right over here at the bottom where you can manually add your account with routing and account numbers. That will take a little extra time because it will need to go through the process of verification. So just something to keep in mind. So we're going to go through the next step and add the account that works best for us. So the first step we just completed actually was plugging in our username and our password from our bank, confirming that we are okay with doing the instant transfers. And now it's going to log into our actual bank, send us a code on our phone, and then it's going to allow us to choose which bank account we want to pull our money from. So what it's doing right here is actually just sending us that verification code, like I mentioned, to our cell phone based off of the phone number we have on our account. There are a couple different options, but we're just going to choose to have them send us a text message to be able to connect securely. So the page prior to this actually was where it showed all my bank accounts. There's just too many to block off, but it shows you all the different accounts you have. So if you have multiple accounts, you can choose the one you want it to pull from. And once you do that, it's going to show you the financial institution, the account with, of course, the account number. You can also nickname it if you needed to, so you can, add multiple different ones if you needed to. And then once all that's done, you can go ahead and click on transfer money. So that way money can get pulled into your account. Now, once you do that, you can click on the transfer money so you can have money deposited into your E-Trade account, which then you can learn how to go ahead and buy on E-Trade. And you can do that by clicking this video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.